In this video, we're going to show you how to use the Numerals plugin in Obsidian. The Numerals plugin is a useful tool that allows you to perform calculations directly inside your notes. It can help you work with budgets, expenses, project estimates, numerical data, and other calculations without needing a separate spreadsheet application. For many users, switching between notes and calculators can interrupt their workflow and make information harder to manage. The good news is that the Numerals plugin brings calculation capabilities directly into Obsidian, allowing you to keep your data and formulas in one place. By the end of this video, you'll learn how to install the Numerals plugin, create calculations, and use it efficiently within your Obsidian vault. So, let's get started. First, open Obsidian on your computer. Click the Settings icon located in the lower left corner of the application. Next, select Community Plugins from the Settings menu. If Community Plugins are disabled, click Turn on Community Plugins. Now click Browse to open the Community Plugin directory. In the search box, type Numerals. Locate the Numerals plugin in the search results and click Install. Once the installation is complete, click Enable. The plugin is now ready to use. Next, open an existing note or create a new one. Enter the numerical values you would like to work with. You can use the syntax supported by the Numerals plugin to create calculations directly inside your notes. After entering a formula, the plugin will automatically calculate and display the result. This allows you to perform common mathematical operations without leaving Obsidian. You can use Numerals for personal budgeting, financial planning, project tracking, data analysis, and many other workflows. As your notes grow, calculations remain connected to the information stored in your vault. This makes it easier to organize data and review important numbers whenever needed. In most situations, the default plugin settings work perfectly for everyday use. Now, let's quickly recap what we covered. First, open the Community Plugins directory in Obsidian. Second, search for and install the Numerals plugin. Third, enable the plugin and create a note containing numerical data. And finally, use formulas to perform calculations directly inside your notes. Remember that keeping calculations inside Obsidian can improve productivity and reduce the need to switch between multiple applications. The Numerals plugin is especially useful for users who regularly work with budgets, expenses, statistics, research data, or project planning. Having calculations integrated into your notes can help create a more efficient and organized workflow. Taking advantage of plugins like Numerals can transform Obsidian into a more powerful knowledge management and productivity system. And that's how to use the Numerals plugin in Obsidian. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others who use Obsidian. Your support helps us create more tutorials, troubleshooting guides, and productivity tips to help you get the most out of Obsidian. If there's another Obsidian feature or plugin you'd like us to cover, feel free to leave a comment below. We'd love to hear your suggestions and ideas for future videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.